In this class, we will see the role of the head nurse in training of students, ward teaching rounds. Ward teaching and nursing rounds. Nursing education is a practice discipline. The students will learn the subject matter by doing the things and practicing the skills. Clinical teaching will provide the places where the actual clients are being cured for. Learning experiences require the presence of clinical instructor, guide, reinforce and correct the behavior of learners. Clinical teaching methods refer to the logical course of actions to accomplish particular educational goals in a specific environment, in which students can get opportunities of learning outcomes. Selection of methods. It should be based on expected outcomes, principle of teaching, learning and learners. Teaching strategies in clinical settings are unique. Who can participate? Various members of health team can take part in the clinical teaching program. How to support these methods? Well-planned teaching program provides a valuable contribution to the students. Classification of the clinical teaching methods. There are various clinical teaching methods to make the learning more effective. Some of the most commonly used clinical teaching methods are as follows. Nursing care plan, I'm not explaining. Can read up. Role of the teacher to guide the discussion, correct any wrong concepts, etc. The various advantages of it. Now you have the bedside clinic, meaning and concept. It's a method of clinical teaching where the patient's medical history and therapies are discussed in brief, followed by identification of patient's problem. It's one of the most effective method. Method of bedside clinics. You can conduct it at bedside or can bring patient to the classroom. Patient should have typical condition, usually 30 minutes. Group of students should be small, 6 to 8. Make patient comfortable. Can read up the following points. Nursing rounds, meaning it's a very important method, mainly used by the ward sister, clinical instructor or clinical teaching. Large group of patients are discussed for their specific problems. Medical and nursing care given at bedside. This method helps us to know all the patients in the ward. Usually the ward in charge goes to visit all the patients early in the morning. Soon after handing over the patients, they go for the nursing rounds. Encourage teaching among the students about various cases and increase the students' knowledge. It should not interfere with the ward routine and it should not interfere with doctor's rounds. How to conduct nursing rounds? It's usually conducted by a ward sister, clinical instructor. Students should be informed beforehand. Bedside patient bedside patient round should be stopped briefly for a short discussion about specific nursing problem. The nursing ward sister can call any nurse to tell about the patient. Nursing rounds timing up to 40 to 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Whole ward has to be covered. Values of nursing rounds helps in arousing students' interest to read the history of all patients, review the disease conditions, medications, doses, actions and side effects, etc. Encourage discussion among the students and we can understand the students' knowledge.